Welcome. In this module, we're going to talk about CIS control number 16, Account Monitoring and Control, Part 1, and let's have a look at the details. So this is the layout for version 7 CIS controls, and right now talking about control number 16, Access Monitoring and Control, Part 1. This is the entity relationship diagram. We have identity and access management, multi-factor authentication, configuration enforcement system, and this is all applied on workforce members and computing systems. So let's take a look at control 16.1, maintain an inventory of authentication systems. Maintain an inventory of each of the organization's authentication systems, including those located on-site or at a remote service provider. 16.2, configure centralized point of authentication. Configure access for all accounts through as few centralized points of authentication as possible, including network, security, and cloud systems. 16.3, require multi-factor authentication. So require multi-factor authentication for all user accounts on all systems, whether managed on-site or by a third-party provider. And 16.4, encrypt or hash all authentication credentials. So encrypt or hash with a salt all authentication credentials when they are stored. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.